In this video, we will discuss why the best pizza in Italy is eaten in the city of Naples or on the island of Sicily. First, we need to know where Italy is located in Europe. If we take a map and open it up, we immediately see that Italy is in the south of Europe and resembles the shape of a boot. So, where are Naples and Sicily located in Italy? In the southernmost part of the country. Is there a connection between Naples and Sicily being in the southernmost part of the country and the most delicious pizzas being found in this region? Yes, there is, and I'll explain shortly. If you are going to eat pizza in Italy, you absolutely must try a margherita. Why? Because margherita pizza is synonymous with Italy and is exactly the same colors as the Italian flag. Both margherita and the Italian flag are red, white, and green. Red tomatoes, white mozzarella cheese, and green basil. Margherita is Italy's most classic and most popular pizza. Returning to our topic, even when we are only 70 kilometers, which means 43 miles away from Naples or the island of Sicily, the taste of the pizza we eat changes. Why isn't it as delicious as the pizzas we eat in Naples? I'll explain why. There are 3 active volcanoes in Italy: Vesuvius, Etna, and Stromboli. Mount Vesuvius is in the city of Naples. Mount Etna is close to the cities of Messina and Catania on Sicily. Stromboli is located on an island between Naples and Sicily. All are active, but the most famous are Mount Vesuvius in Naples and Mount Etna in Sicily. So which one is more dangerous? I can answer that like this. During my trip to Italy, I saw Mount Vesuvius in Naples. Mount Vesuvius looks very calm when viewed from the outside. You can't see any activity or smoke on it. However, it is the most dangerous volcano in Italy. It erupts regularly almost every 2,000 years, and its last eruption covered the cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum with dust and soil, wiping them off the face of the earth. It is monitored 24 hours a day by Italian officials. It has been 2,000 years since its last eruption, and the public is encouraged to evacuate the Naples. However, constant minor activity is observed at Mount Etna in Sicily. Smoke rises from it continuously, but it has never posed as great a danger as Vesuvius. Even during its most active periods, there are no records of it causing the destruction of any city. Yes, Etna is a dangerous volcano. It damages its surroundings, but it is not as dangerous as Vesuvius. For example, when you look at Etna at night, you can easily see the red lava activity on it. So how are these volcanoes related to making pizzas tastier? Yes, there is a direct connection. The reason is that, thanks to these volcanoes, the region's soil is rich in volcanic rock and volcanic soil. It is particularly rich in potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium minerals. This makes agricultural products more aromatic and intensely flavorful. Therefore, cows grazing on these soils and grasses in this region naturally produce more flavorful milk. The pizzas made in this region use mozzarella cheese made from this flavorful milk. Additionally, San Marzano tomatoes, which are grown especially in the Campania region, are used. The basil in this region also has a very strong flavor. Tomatoes grown in non-volcanic areas, or cheese made from milk from cows raised outside this region, are not as flavorful. The wheat used to make the dough and the olives used to flavor the pizza are more flavorful in this volcanic region. Another factor is the quality of the water. Specifically, 65% water is used for the soft center and crispy crust of margherita pizza. In Naples and Sicily, groundwater seeps through volcanic rocks. The water is naturally mineralized and has a balanced level. Therefore, the dough ferments better over 2 days and gives a light feeling in the stomach when eaten. Finally, the region's best pizzerias use ovens, made from volcanic stones sourced locally. This is one reason why the pizza's edges are slightly charred, and its flavor is enhanced. Note that the same flour, the same tomatoes, and the same cheese yield different flavors in different cities. That's why, if you travel to Italy, which I personally recommend, Italy is such a beautiful country, both in terms of its culture and history, that you can't fit it into a few days or even 2 weeks. While you are there, if you definitely want to see one of the volcanoes, my recommendation is definitely Mount Etna. Especially after dark, it will offer you red-colored beauties at its peak, for you to take incredibly beautiful photos. Then, brighten up your day with a delicious margherita pizza. Today, we talked about one of the interesting topics in geography, Italy and its volcanic region, and its relationship with the taste of pizzas. Subscribe for my new videos, so let's grow my tiny YouTube channel together. I want to start making videos with my own voice very soon. If you like the videos I make with my own voice, please mention it in the comments. I will take it into consideration. Thank you.